Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make the Ka Cho. So I have, this is half of front pork leg here, approximately 1 kg. So should you go for front or the leg behind? I actually wanted to get the leg behind, but when I went to the wet market already sold out, so I used the front leg instead. So what's the difference between the two? The front leg actually is leaner. The hind leg has actually more, is fattier and also bigger and also meatier, fattier, and also
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
has more tendon. Yeah. So up to you which one you want to use. No right or wrong. Old ginger, right? So old ginger here. You decide how much you want to put. This is probably about one bowl of old ginger, bruised. I actually tasted one Ka Cho where they actually blend the ginger up. That will give the dish very strong gingery taste. So up to you. And then we will need about 2 tablespoons of rock sugar. You can put in few hard-boiled egg. And how do we make the Ka Cho, the vinegar? Just use any brand will do, but you need to use not just the normal dark vinegar, but it is the sweetened dark vinegar, any brand. And you need to add water. The ratio is very simple, 1 to 1. One ratio of sweetened dark vinegar and 1 ratio of water here. So today I have 1 kg of pork leg, 500 ml of sweetened dark vinegar and 500 ml of water. So something very important about the Ka is that you need to blanch it. Yeah. So put your Ka inside a pot, fill up with water, raise the temperature up. You can put in a bit of ginger and also Shaoxing wine. Let it boil for approximately 2-3 minutes, after which you take out the Ka and wash it. Right, so the first step is to dry roast the ginger to really bring out the fragrance. I am using pressure cooker that actually carries an open lid cooking process function. So I will actually use the pressure cooker straight away to dry roast the ginger. Dry roast this for at least 2-3 minutes until you really smell the ginger flavor. Alright, it's after 2-3 minutes sauteing the ginger. Let's put in the 500 ml of water, hot water. This is 500 ml of sweetened dark vinegar, and we will put in the pork leg. This is 1 kg of pork leg. I'm putting in hard-boiled egg as well, and 2 tablespoons of rock sugar. So you want to make sure everything is nicely submerged under the broth. I'm going to close the lid here, and let me choose high pressure and let it cook for about 35 minutes. Then it is done. Of course, right before serving, we can put in some sugar if you want to adjust to taste. And some people will add in a little bit of maybe 1 or 2 pieces of dried chili to give it some spicy flavor. Yeah? But I'm not doing it today because my family doesn't really take spice. I'm going to open this. Wow, smells so good. Oh, let me show you. Yeah, it really looks so good. You can feel how jiggly it is. See? Oh, this is the kind of tendency I love. Ooh, the tenderness. Alright, my Ka Cho is ready for dinner tonight. What did you cook for your family? Let Appa know. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.